They are sugar-free, gluten-free and filled with lots of love. Nothing can show love and care as a batch of freshly baked warm pancakes in the morning. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and to make these pancakes you need 2 eggs. Beat them up as hard as you can. If you are angry on someone, just let it out on these eggs. Next, add some coconut cream. You can also add dairy cream, but I want my pancakes to be dairy free. Then add a bit of vanilla essence for the aroma and then add coconut flour. Make sure that you are using the best quality of coconut flour because your pancakes are gonna be as good as your coconut flour. I have taught how to make cakes, biscuits, breads, even rotis and chapatis with coconut flour. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you get all these gluten-free recipes as soon as they are uploaded. Next, add some aluminium-free baking powder and then add your sweetener. I am using no-cal, which is a stevia extract. You can add any keto-friendly sweetener. If you are making for kids, add honey. Next, I am adding some flax seeds. You can omit this if you don't want flax seeds, but the thing is I have taught seed cycling, and if someone wants to eat pumpkin seeds or flax seeds for their PCOS management, they can eat it in their pancakes. You don't have to take it as a medicine. I have discussed at length what diet should you take for PCOS and fertility. Do view all those videos if you are suffering from PCOS or infertility. Anyway, add a pinch of salt, and I am adding some color because I want my pancakes to be pink. Ideally, I should be adding beetroot juice, but I do not have beetroot juice and I wanted to make these pancakes quickly. Basically, it took me 10 minutes to make these pancakes. Anyway, you can add your favorite seeds even after mixing up the batter. Like I am adding some pumpkin seeds now. Just make sure that your mixture consistency is of a pourable consistency. It should not be very thick. Now just pour your pancake batter into your greased pan. I just added a bit of butter and I'm adding my pancake batter, and you can make round pancakes but I like heart-shaped pancakes, so I'm using this mold. When tiny bubbles like these appear on the surface of pancakes, it means your pancakes are done. We don't want them burnt. Just take them off. It takes about 5 minutes. Now I am adding honey. Okay, honey is not keto friendly and it is not diabetic friendly. So if you want to keep it diabetic friendly and keto friendly, use our homemade sugar free chocolate syrup. Anyway, you have to make these pancakes. They are super quick, super easy and super tasty. Do let me know, when you made these pancakes, did you make them like round shaped, regular ones, or did you make heart shaped for a special someone? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.